Welcome to the Auto Expert, where we delve into everything on wheels from cutting-edge automobiles to adventure-ready RVs. If you're passionate about exploring the open road in comfort and style, you're in the right place. Today we're shining the spotlight on a motorhome that's poised to redefine family travel and recreational living, the 2025 Winnebago Spirit 26T. Whether you're a seasoned road warrior or just beginning to dream about RV life, the Spirit 26T promises to impress with its features, performance, and versatility. The 2025 Winnebago Spirit 26T is a Class C motorhome designed for families, couples, or anyone seeking a reliable, spacious, and comfortable vehicle for their adventures. Built on the dependable Ford E450 chassis, this motorhome marries performance with convenience. From its sleek exterior to its thoughtfully crafted interior, every detail is tailored to make your road trip seamless and enjoyable. The first thing that stands out about the Spirit 26T is its compact yet spacious design. Measuring just under 28 feet in length, it strikes the perfect balance between maneuverability and interior space. The double-slide floor plan maximizes living and sleeping areas, ensuring that even with multiple occupants, no one feels cramped. This clever use of space sets it apart in its class. Inside, the Spirit 26T offers sleeping accommodations for up to 6 people, making it an excellent choice for family trips. The rear features a cozy queen-size bed, while the U-shaped dinette and the overcab bunk can be easily converted into additional sleeping areas. The layout ensures privacy and comfort, allowing everyone to relax and recharge after a day of adventures. The living area is designed with modern aesthetics and functionality in mind. Vinyl flooring, blackout roller shades, and LED lighting create a warm and inviting ambience. The galley kitchen is equipped with all the essentials to prepare meals on the go, including a 3-burner cooktop, a microwave oven, and an 8-cubic-foot refrigerator. The Corian solid-surface countertops add a touch of elegance and durability. One of the standout features of the 2025 Spirit 26T is its bathroom setup. The split design includes a shower on one side and a private toilet and vanity on the other, a layout that optimizes space and usability. The shower features a skylight, allowing natural light to brighten the space, while the vanity area includes storage for toiletries and other essentials. This thoughtful design ensures that morning routines are convenient and hassle-free. For those who love spending time outdoors, the Spirit 26T doesn't disappoint. The motorhome is equipped with a 17-foot power awning featuring LED lighting, creating the perfect shaded area for outdoor relaxation. Whether you're enjoying your morning coffee or unwinding after a day of hiking, this setup enhances the outdoor living experience. Performance-wise, the Spirit 26T is powered by Ford's robust 7.3-liter V8 engine, delivering 350 horsepower and 468 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse ensures smooth and reliable performance, whether you're cruising on highways or tackling steep inclines. The 6-speed torque-shift automatic transmission complements the engine, providing seamless gear shifts and enhancing driving comfort. The motorhome's towing capacity of 7,500 pounds adds another layer of versatility, allowing you to bring along a small vehicle, boat, or additional gear. The Spirit 26T also boasts a GVUR of 14,500 pounds and a 55-gallon fuel tank, striking an excellent balance between payload capacity and travel range. This ensures that you can carry all your essentials without compromising performance. When it comes to technology, the 2025 Spirit 26T is packed with features designed to enhance both safety and convenience. The dash includes an 8.95-inch touchscreen monitor that integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth, keeping you connected on the road. A rear-view monitor system provides a clear view of what's behind you, making parking and maneuvering significantly easier. Safety is a priority in the Spirit 26T. Advanced features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking come standard, giving you peace of mind on every journey. These systems work in tandem to ensure a safe and stress-free driving experience, regardless of road conditions. The Spirit 26T also excels in its energy management capabilities. It comes standard with an Onan 4,000-watt generator and a 30-amp electrical system, ensuring that all onboard appliances and systems function smoothly. For those looking to enhance their off-grid capabilities, optional solar panels are available. These features make the Spirit 26T an excellent choice for boondocking and off-the-grid adventures. Storage is another area where the Spirit 26T shines. With over 45 cubic feet of exterior storage space, you'll have plenty of room for outdoor gear, camping equipment, and other travel essentials. Inside, cabinets and compartments are strategically placed to maximize usability, ensuring that everything has its place. In terms of design, the exterior of the 2025 Spirit 26T features sleek graphics and a durable fiberglass body. The aerodynamically shaped cab enhances fuel efficiency and reduces wind noise, making long drives more enjoyable. The attention to detail in the design extends to the smallest elements, such as the placement of utility hookups and the inclusion of an exterior entertainment center for added fun during your stops. Pricing for the 2025 Winnebago Spirit 26T starts at around $120,000, with various customization options available to suit different needs and preferences. Given its array of features, performance capabilities, and brand reputation, this motorhome offers excellent value for its price. The expected release date for the 2025 model is early 2024, and it will be available through authorized Winnebago dealerships nationwide. For those interested in getting a closer look or test driving the vehicle, reaching out to your local dealer is highly recommended. As we wrap up, it's clear that the 2025 Winnebago Spirit 26T, more than just a motorhome, it's a gateway to unforgettable adventures. Its blend of comfort, performance, and innovative features makes it a top contender in the Class C category. Whether you're exploring national parks, tailgating at your favorite sports events, or simply enjoying the freedom of the open road, the Spirit 26T is ready to take you there. Thank you for joining us at The Auto Expert. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest in automotive and RV innovations. Your journey to adventure starts here. See you in the next video.